Oh, there is exam next week. Square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b the whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b the whole square. Huh? 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 Huh?
Are you a student feeling overwhelmed by your studies? Perhaps you are juggling a busy schedule or struggling to grasp certain topics. Well, fret no more. Today, we will be introducing you to a powerful tool that can revolutionize your learning process. This tool is none other than ChatGPT. In this course, you will be discovering how ChatGPT can become your ultimate study companion. We will dive into practical applications. So now, let's first go with creating mind maps. Now just think, visualize complex concepts like hypertension with ChatGPT's mind map generation, turning information overload into clear and organized learning pathways. So now let's go to ChatGPT and create a hypertension mind map. So let's write a topic hypertension. Okay, then click shift next and we'll write create a mind map on the topic above, list out, okay, the central ideas, list out the central ideas, main branches and subtrees. So now we have given the prompt to ChatGPT, and now when I will click enter, ChatGPT will generate us a mind map for the topic hypertension. And don't worry guys, when the lecture will be finished, all of these prompts will be given to you in the free resources. Okay, so like this, ChatGPT will generate you a perfect and accurate mind map for your topic, right? Just our topic was hypertension, and ChatGPT has generated us a perfect mind map for our topic. And that's not enough. ChatGPT has also given us the explanation of the mind map too, so that if we have doubt, we can understand the topic more clearly, right? So now let's move ahead and build a study timetable with the help of ChatGPT. Now I will demonstrate how ChatGPT can schedule your physics studies efficiently, maximizing your learning time. Now let's go to ChatGPT and build a study timetable. Topic physics, create a study timetable for a 12th grade student revising for the above topic. Okay, just you have to do one thing, that put this line create one in the next line. All right, shift next, and we'll go down over here and shift next. Okay, so the timetable should cover a week. Shift next, then the timetable should break the above topics down into its individual learning topics. And shift next, the timetable. Why I am writing this much of things, let me explain you. You need to tell ChatGPT the perfect schedule, right? That my schedule is like this and you cover the timetable like this. You have to tell everything which you need in timetable, so that you will get an accurate answer from ChatGPT. And you don't worry, the prompt will be given to you in the free resources. You can download it from there. Okay, Okay, suppose the timetable okay should include food breaks, okay, breaks, exercise breaks, and sleep. Right, then shift next. And the final one, each day should be displayed in timetable. Okay, I have given ChatGPT the complete idea that my timetable should be like this. Now when I will click enter, ChatGPT will generate me a perfect and an accurate timetable for me. Now I'm clicking enter. Now you can see over here ChatGPT is generate me a perfect timetable of Monday you have to do 8 to 9:30 this, 9:30 to 10 this, then 11:30 to this, etc like this. And you can see over here this schedule should be same for every week, right? This is for Monday, then they say Tuesday, repeat the similar structure in different physics topics, right? Same to same, which you are doing in Monday, do for Tuesday, do for Wednesday, do for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. The breaks are also given over here. Exercise break is also given over. Exercise break is of at least 20 to 30 minutes. Sleep is around 7 to 9 hours, and everything is given to us over here. So I have scheduled my timetable with the help of ChatGPT so that I can get a better scope in physics. Just think that till now I am weak in physics. I don't know a single A of physics, right? But now after going with this timetable, I can score a good mark in physics because I am improving myself day by day by going to this timetable, right? Means from 8 to 9:30 I am doing mechanics and kinematics. 9:30 to 10 I am doing a break of healthy snacks. Then 10 to 11:30 I am doing a mechanics and dynamics. Then 11:30 to 1 I am taking a break of lunch. Then 1 to 2:30 I am doing thermodynamics, law of thermodynamics. Then 2:30 to 3 I am taking a break. Then 3 to 4:30 that, and this break is an exercise break. Please note we have given ChatGPT that we want break of exercise, we want break of food, and we want break of sleep, right? So ChatGPT is given a break of food over here, healthy snacks, over here lunch, and over here for exercise, and over here for sleep, right? Then 3 to 4:30 that thermodynamics heat transfer, then one more time break for food, then 5 to 6:30 electromagnetism, then one more time break for dinner, then 7:30 to 9 electromagnetism, one more time, that is electric field. Now it is magnetic field. Then 9 to 10:30. See, ChatGPT is also telling us to revise the topic so that till now what we have studied we can revise, understand that what we are doing in today's day, right? So ChatGPT is giving us a complete timetable. From that we can understand the timetable and get a better knowledge of how we should work in a particular day and how we should improve ourselves in the subject physics, right? So like this ChatGPT will generate us a timetable. Now we will go ahead. Now the final thing which we will study in today's lecture is generating recall questions. Now what is this? Test your understanding and solidify your knowledge by using ChatGPT to create targeted questions like generating recall questions on any topic. Now let's go to ChatGPT and generate a recall questions. Okay, so now let's write a prompt. We will pick up a topic from above given data, right? So I will take this mechanics in kinematics, right? We'll copy this and come down, right? Okay, so we'll write topic, we'll paste it, mechanics kinematics, right? Then shift next. Okay, write a multiple choice question with one correct, okay, wait a minute, with a one correct answer and 4 incorrect incorrect district answers, right? Then we will click shift next. Then answer should be labeled A to E. Okay. Each answer should have an explanation. Okay, I will do a space over here. I will do a space over here. Okay, and we will click enter. Now you can see that ChatGPT is giving us a recall questions, right? And don't worry, you can also get an answer explanation from the every multiple choice which are given over here, right? So like this, you can do three things with the help of ChatGPT. First of all, you can create like this. You can do three things with the help of ChatGPT. First of all, you can create mind maps. Second, you can schedule your timetable. And third, you can get recall questions with the help of ChatGPT. And now, if you want another one, this is the one question. This is only one question, right? But if you want another one, you can write over here. Give me one more. Give me another one. Or you can write give me one more. Anything. I have tell that give me another one. Now ChatGPT has given me the another question, right, from A to E. Like this, you can get recall questions and you can prepare for your JEE entrance exam, NEET entrance exam, UPSC entrance exam, any of the exam you want, right? You can get recall question from ChatGPT. ChatGPT will be your mentor because ChatGPT is also explaining you the particular multiple choice question which he is giving you, right? So like this, you can ace your exam with the help of ChatGPT. So in today's lecture, I have equipped you to leverage the power of AI to transform your stunning experience and unlock your academic potential. So that's all for our today's lecture. Now let's meet in the next lecture. Have a great day guys. Bye bye.